Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock some of Chrome's most powerful hidden features by safely changing what are called flags in your browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access these experimental settings and customize your browsing experience, whether you're looking to speed things up, try new features before anyone else, or optimize Chrome for your workflow. Let's dive in and get started. First up, you'll want to open Google Chrome. Once you're in, look up at the address bar where you'd normally type in a web address, and type this exactly, chrome/flags. Then hit enter. It should instantly load a new page called Experiments. This is sort of like the secret lab of Chrome, where all kinds of advanced and experimental tools are stored. Don't be overwhelmed if it looks like a long list. You're in the right spot. Now, chances are you already have a feature in mind or you've read about some cool Chrome flag you want to try. At the top of this page, there's a handy little search box, ICE. Click into it and start typing the name of the flag or what you want to change, like dark mode or smooth scrolling. Chrome will automatically filter the list as you type, so you'll see only the relevant flags that match your search. Next, once you spot the flag you're looking for, you'll notice a drop-down menu right next to its name. It usually says Default, Disabled, or maybe Enabled. This menu is where you make the magic happen. Click on it and you'll see your options, typically Enabled, if you want to turn the feature on, or Disabled to turn it off. For example, if you want to try an experimental tab grouping feature, you'd select Enabled. If you ever run into technical hiccups or just don't like the change, you can always come back here and flip it back to Default. After you've chosen your setting, look down to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue button that says Relaunch. Go ahead and click that. Chrome will briefly close and restart. Don't worry, any tabs you have open should pop right back up where you left off. This relaunch is essential. It's what actually applies the changes you've made. Think of it like flipping a light switch. The room needs just a quick moment to adjust before you see the effect. Now, before you get too flag happy, a word of gentle caution. These features are labeled experimental for a reason. Some flags might cause Chrome to act unpredictably, introduce security quirks, or even cause loss of browser data. So try one change at a time. And if something goes wrong, just switch the flag back or reset all to default. If you ever feel lost, remember you can always access this flags page and undo your changes just as easily as you made them. And that's it. You've just learned how to access and change Chrome's hidden flags. With great power comes great responsibility, so use these features to customize Chrome just the way you like, but proceed thoughtfully. If you learned something new or have any questions about Chrome flags, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your newly customized Chrome.